Hey, it's Sarah Jean from the AU Write site, and today I'm going to show you why it's important to use a page break when you're going from the end of your text to your references or works cited page. So here I am at the end of the text, and I've got my references page down here. Now, if I want to add more text here, I'm going to flesh out my conclusion a bit more. Come down here, and now there's all this extra space above my references, but I want my references heading to be at the top of this page. Well, that's because I used the Enter key to get down to the next page. So I'll show you what to do instead. Just delete this. I want to use a page break. So you can go to the Insert tab, click Pages, and then Page Break. And it brings us right down to the first line on the next page. And now if I add additional text, this doesn't move. You always want this to be at the top of your last the page after your last page of text, and so it will stay there if you use the page break. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Enter.